Add person image. Position it. Add flight footage. Set alpha matte to the flight footage. Duplicate the person image. Create a mask using pen tool. M to mask properties. Invert the mask. F to feather. Increase the feather. Add tint effect to the flight footage, for grayscale coloring. Add a texture image. And add scale keyframes to it. Next add curve effect to it. Next add tint effect to the top person image. And decrease the tint amount. Next add a text layer. Add opacity keyframes to it. Change the text color to grayish.